This program is to check if given string by the user is a palindrome. So first, we need to input a number. Console write line. Open and close parenthesis. Enter a number. Especially our semicolon. Then we need to string input equals console read line. Open and close parenthesis. Semicolon. String reverse num. I forgot the D. Equals semicolon. For semicolon. Open and close parenthesis. Int short for integer equals 1. I forgot about the I. Semicolon. Then I is less than 2 or equals to 0. Semicolon. I. Maglalagay tayo ng bracket. Enter. Reverse num plus input I semicolon. Enter. Lagay tayo ng bracket. Then next, if reverse num, hindi. Kailangan muna natin maglagay nito. Then, input equals reverse num bracket. Then console write line. Open and close parenthesis. It is a palindrome. Okay. Semicolon. Lagay ulit tayo ng bracket. Then, lagay ng else. Then, bracket ulit. Then, console write line. It is not a palindrome. Semicolon. And if yung input is equals to reverse num, then it is a palindrome. Else, it is not a palindrome. So, try natin i-run. May error. So, ayan, may maling spelling. Then, nalimutan ko mag-bracket here. Try ulit natin mag-run. Okay, nag-run. Try natin ng 3. It is not a palindrome. Try natin yung ibang number. 6. It is not a palindrome. Okay.